dream. We close our eyes. We see ourselves living the life we have always wanted to live, doing things we have always wanted to do. For some, it's being able to travel the world or living in a van. For others, it's having a top career or big houses. You know, chasing your dreams isn't always easy. Failing isn't easy. But you deserve abundance, love, joy, friendship, fulfillment. Whatever it is that you dream for yourself, it is yours. Take an action that makes you uncomfortable. Maybe not to lose all your worldly possessions, but to put yourself out there to the world, so the world knows you're working on your dream.